Currently we've got 60 guys out there on the tools. We like to keep 2 apprentices at each stage, so over the 4-year staging, and that's one's nearing completion to just doing the Thursday, Friday courses out of EIT.
I'm currently a level 3 apprentice for EIT. Hopefully I qualify next year.
I work for Atkin Construction and I'm a first-year apprentice.
I first started with Trades Academy level 2, did that every Friday.
When I was year 13, I went to trade course.
Yeah, this is me, it's hands-on stuff, hands-on person. I'm not a big fan of bookwork.
I like to do physical stuff. Sitting in an office, I can't do that.
The school system's set up on a more academic front. Tradies just don't learn that way. When they get out of the trade, you can really prosper because it's actually not that academic thing that you need. You are smart, you just learn differently.
It makes me feel good, you know, not having to go to university, getting great debt, and then end up working at a petrol station.
I think you just got to go out and look for builders. Don't rely on people to look for you.
Put your name out there, go and put a face to the name. It's important to us so we can see who we're employing. Get a good spiel about yourself.
I just like how all the variations that they do in building. You get to work with different kinds of people and just the way they work as well. And you pick up new skills every day.
Being able to tell someone or your kids in the future saying, oh yeah, I built that, it's a good feeling.